It is no longer news that we lost a banking giant. It is also no longer news that he is about to be buried. Today, the remains of Herbert Wigwe and the son and the mother arrived in Nigeria. While this arrival happened, the following video is so touching. This is a reflection that this life means absolutely nothing. When you brag about your wealth, you brag about your titles and the accumulation of things you have, life is absolute nothing. If money could make Herbert Wigwe to be alive, Herbert Wigwe will be alive today. But here we are, he is no more. In this video here, let me let you watch it. How Wigwe arrived today, no longer as human, as bucks like a cargo, and let us teach us, one of us, a lesson.
That is the corpse of Herbert Wigwe coming up on the aircraft. That's the wife and the son. What a painful exit. 3 people are in pain. Most people are in pain. Nigeria is in pain. Losing Herbert Wigwe's wife, son, have been taken to the VIP section of the airport. As you can see.
In his night of tribute, even the Emir, Sanusi, Lamido Sanusi, shed tears.
And Paul will remember when we had the first formal meeting, I said, Herbert, I'm placing you in charge of this trust for the education of my children. Because I know that even if I died, I did not leave any money, you would educate my children. I was thinking I would die and leave Herbert.
In his night of tribute, when the daughter read her tribute, it broke me.
Your words resonate deeply within me. No longer do I want to tilt my head and squint my eyes in confusion. You were simply extraordinary. Amidst my tears, I reflect on the man that you were. Driven, determined, and always surpassing expectations. That was your ethos. You urged me to reach new heights I never even imagined. Whenever doubt clouded my mind, you would chuckle knowingly and say, "You really just don't know whose child you are. You'll soon find out." And once again, you were right. I've come to find out.
Even Shola, when Shola gave the account of how he escaped death by whisker, by going on the road with the car to deliver the luggages, he kind of said, "This life self."
My name is Olushola Falele. So I will refer to him as Dr. Herbert, or probably Doctor. Forgive me. The chopper went down at 10:08. One night, something just pricked me, and I picked up my phone. I'm like, they should have landed, in my own estimation, and I called him first. It wasn't ringing. I called Madame. It didn't ring. She asked 3 numbers. I called the 3 numbers. I called Cheesy. I called Mr. Bimbo. So I started sweating in the car. I was afraid. I was still on the road going to Vegas. Suddenly, I called the driver that was to pick us up when we land with the chopper. If you notice, I still refer to us because every time I still see myself flying with them. And he said 30 minutes ago, we cannot see them on the radar again.
The next view you're going to see is as Wigwe, the deceased family, arrived in Port Harcourt for the burial. The community welcomed them, but everybody again was in tears. We say, may his soul, the soul of Abimbola, the wife, and the son, everyone involved in that crash, including the pilots, their souls, rest in peace. We use this opportunity as well to call on the federal government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu to ensure that the 280 kids kidnapped in Kaduna be returned safely to their parents. Peace out.
La la la.